Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this March the 21st, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Thursday out there so far. Everybody has a great Thursday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well. And you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about your forecast for Friday and Saturday. Also, we're going to take a look at the weather radar across the nation. Also, we're going to take a look at the watches warning advisory map because we got some winter storm warning, winter weather advisories, and winter storm watches for portions of the Northeast and also the northern portion of the country. And also, we're going to take a look at a lot of that subscribe button, and you get my forecast on YouTube here as well. Also, like my channel. You know what time it is? Time to get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, as you can see here, we got some snow up here in portion of Maine, stretching back through portions of southeast Canada. Back in the north, mix up station up here in portion. We have some heavy snow possible in Illinois and also southern Wisconsin as well. We got a big pocket of showers and thunderstorms extended from Cuba, also into the Bahamas as well, toward Jamaica, Gulf of Mexico, the Atlantic coastal waters, stretching through Florida, Florida Keys, all the way to the airport of Illinois, stretching back to Pennsylvania. We have a little area down here, portion of southeast Florida, maybe some portion of mixed precipitation as well over portions of Washington, Oregon State. Down in the California areas of Oregon and California. Shower activity in portion of Idaho to Washington, Oregon State, through portion of Nevada, California, also in the western Washington, Oregon State, and also into the Pacific Ocean in western California, Kansas, back to portion of Arizona. Gulf of California. Also down in the we can get to Saturday's forecast. Georgia, Alabama, Oregon State, and South Carolina. Otherwise, high pressure is in charge in much of Canada through Minnesota through radar now. Alright, you can see this little system here developing over Texas, bringing some severe weather. As this system moves to the east, bringing some showers and storms to the Carolinas, coming up portions of the southeastern Canada over toward New Brunswick. Scattered or next year. And well, look at it. Finally came up, I see. Righty. Alright, we got a lot of winter weather advisory, winter storm warning, winter weather advisories are stretching, and winter storm watches stretching from Montana through the Dakotas, through Minnesota, Wisconsin, northern posted up here in portions of Maine back into New York State. Winter storm warnings to the north, special weather statements to the south. More special weather statements up here in portion of Boston down toward Massachusetts, Connecticut region. We have some flood watches in effect for portions of Connecticut down toward the D.C. area. Special weather statements over Virginia and West Virginia. Flood watches here in southern advisory portions of Colorado. Red flag warning for Wyoming. High wind watches for portions of Utah. Winter weather advisory, winter storm warnings in the portions of California as well. Alright, we got storm warning, gale warnings in effect from up here from Maine down to the coast of Florida, Florida Keys, all the way back over to portions of southeast Texas. Got a few severe thunderstorm warnings, special weather statements over Texas as well. Small craft advisory, gale storm warnings in state down in southern California. Hawaii and Chain Islands, central and north looks okay. South, got a few gale warnings to the south. Winter weather, this is your Friday outlook. As you can see, we got some general thunderstorms up around Del Monde, back over to Omaha and Lincoln, just east of you guys. northwest of Pierre, Illinois, up toward Raleigh to Wilmington to Charlotte, Columbia to Charleston, Savannah, all the way down toward Tampa, Orlando, Melbourne, and also back toward Tallahassee to Alexandria and Shreveport area, Jackson. We have some general thunderstorms along the Gulf Coast from Fort Myers over to Miami. A marginal risk has been posted for you guys, and a general thunderstorm from Eugene, Oregon down to San Francisco and Santa Monica as Fort activity, damage and wind. 5%. Pretty much just mainly from New Orleans to Mobile, Alabama, and portions of the Gulf Coast. All right, let's move on to day number 3, and then we'll outlook. Well, folks, here toward Miami and South Florida and Florida Keys. General thunderstorm from just west of Seattle, Washington through Portland, Eugene, Medford, down toward Redding. Also Reno, Sacramento, and also San Francisco and Fresno, California. General thunderstorms over here. Same over here from Missouri to portion of Jackson down toward the Grand Junction, Durango, and also toward Ely and Elmuz. Same over toward Rapid City, Cheyenne, and also toward Kobe, and also toward Garden City areas. Same from up here in Richmond, Virginia, Raleigh, towards Wilmington, Columbia, Charleston, down toward Orlando, Lauderdale, Fort Myers, Florida. General thunderstorms. Probability be about 5% for these locations in the marginal risk area. Yep, the same areas there. And let's move on to day number 4. Alright, day number 4 outlook. This will be your Sunday outlook. Okay. As you can see here is a 15% risk from portions of Nebraska, Kansas, all the way down through portions of Oklahoma, North Texas, just east of Lubbock, east of Amarillo, Woodward. You in path of the storm in the 15% risk area. Areas of severe weather, 15% risk. This is for day 4, which is Sunday. Let's take a look at day. All right, day 5 moves it over here to portions of Jackson, Memphis, Greenville, so Port Little Rock. This is a 15% area for damage. So if you're in the 15% risk area, be on the lookout for severe weather. All right. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. I hope everybody continue to stay safe and well. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not. And we'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful Thursday evening, folks. Take care.